What is Stripe, and why does my vibe coding chat keep telling me use Stripe for your payment processor? So therefore, let's learn as fast as possible what the heck Stripe is, if you should use it or not, type of video. Stripe. Oh, we all know Stripe. Oh my gosh. The fake MMR screenshots, everything of this nature. But what really is Stripe? You know this, you've checked out before. It is one of the major payment processors in a lot of new softwares and just in general. I think even X uses it. This is like monopoly situation. Idea, of course, is that the customer comes with a card and then Stripe has a ton of developer integrations so that you can create a secure checkout and then you get paid. The reason Stripe won and it's genuinely dominating right now is because of how good their API docs are for developers, which then translates to how easy and accessible it is to an AI agent to look at those docs and then integrate this payment processor into your application. Take a step back. The only other alternative to Stripe that I can think of on top of my head, there's others, of course, is something like PayPal, but their API docs are just trash or not as good. Let's be nice here. They're just not as good. They're just no good, okay? The reason Stripe won, though, is that they genuinely made a process and system that just works. It was very developer centric, and now with AI, everyone obviously can access it as well. At a base layer here, though, all Stripe really is that they got an agreement with some banks. The bank said, yes, you can use me situation, and then built the infrastructure for developers to access this middle layer that handle the hard part, such as the security, the compliance, everything of this nature, and then create docs that are very good at handling, edge cases, fringe cases, and everything of this nature. There's another reason you want to start using Stripe, or why Stripe is valuable, though. Stripe is doing something that happened recently at their event, I believe a couple months ago, which is Stripe agent to agent commerce. So we'll say agent to agent. A to A. What I'm about to say right now is going to sound extremely loaded and it's going to be like, whoa, I did not expect to hear this in this video. But long story short, the internet is pre-AI right now, but it's transitioning into a moment where long-term the internet is going to be more agent-facing rather than human-facing. What I mean by that is that when you go to a website and you click around, this is human-centric, right? You're clicking through Amazon, you're clicking on images. Oh, wow, let me read all of this. Like, this is all very human. What Stripe released and kind of the direction this is going is Stripe is adding a new commerce layer that allow agents to go to agent native websites, complete purchases and transactions, and then receive something in return. Long story short, in the future in the internet, Stripe's going to be a good bet to build into your infrastructure because it's going to be a very easy add-on layer where when agents have the ability to access whatever software application you're creating, they can just do it on behalf of a user and pay Stripe and use their processor. There's other stuff with Stripe that they're doing that's like with stable coins and the ability to accept cryptocurrency, which is cool, but that's why Stripe is like basically killing everyone else in their monopoly. So in action, and why this absolutely is amazing is that you have very legible and easy code to integrate into your application. They have native checkouts, which I'm sure you're familiar with. And then obviously you hit the money with the bank. Another thing you should keep in mind with Stripe here, and it might apply to you directly, is they're getting really good in the startup space where I'm pretty sure you can open up a Stripe account with a Stripe bank account. And then the Stripe bank account has really good interest. And there's like a whole ecosystem that emerged in these last 2 months where you can build your entire business within the Stripe portal itself, which is really cool. In addition to that, there's a whole other initiative on Stripe that allows you to get a bunch of free tokens, a bunch of free credits on a bunch of different platforms that can be useful to you. I mean, you can probably see why PayPal is like literally getting shorted all the way to $0 is because their tech is just 20 years too late. So who cares? I just realized this might come off as like a PayPal bashing thing. Like, I don't hate you, PayPal. It's just like, you got to catch up, PayPal. I actually think Stripe might acquire PayPal. Don't quote me. People that care, obviously, want to get paid. This has high trust. I think most people have seen a Stripe checkout to the point that when they see it on a platform, there's high trust there for a conversion event. One thing to keep in mind, of course, is the kicker is that you're going to get some type of transaction fee, but this is standard in any type of payment processor. But one piece of nuance here that you should know about, which you might care about, you might not, is that obviously some countries don't allow Stripe, or Stripe doesn't allow them in those countries. Iran, North Korea, everything of this nature. That's Stripe though. You want to get paid, and specifically you want to get paid via the internet way, you're going to use Stripe in your application. So without further ado, make sure you have a like. I'll see you in the next. The Coin Quite literally just explain what Stripe is and then also give a peeking into the future with agent to agent commerce type of video.